Hi everyone. I wanted to show you a way that you can use your phone to scan a document to upload so that you can scan this once and then fill it in using Cami each week when we submit our weekly attendance reports. So you want to make sure that you open up the document that Sandra has in our Google Classroom for attendance. And I just pre-filled out all of my classes, the period numbers, the grades, and then I also filled out my name and left the year, but not the month, and I left the dates blank. I also made sure to mark in the two columns that since we are high school and we are doing partial period day attendance, I made sure to mark the partial day synchronous instruction and partial day asynchronous instruction for all of my periods. Full day synchronous instruction is mainly used for the elementary. And since I believe we're all using the same document, that's why we wouldn't mark that. So we are using partial period attendance. Then I went down here and I filled out the week gradebook and attendance time frame. I just kind of pre-filled this out and left the little mark that I could fill in with Cami as well as the date. I then printed my name, printed this out and signed it, and then added the year, and I can just add again the date using Cami. So now that I have this document and it's all prepared and ready to go, I'm going to scan it so that I can upload it to my drive and have it ready. So on my phone, and you can also use your computer to do this as well. I just find my phone to be really easy with this method just because I can store everything here and transfer it to my drive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the Notes app on my phone. Sorry, that's a little bit hard to see. Let me fix that. There we go. So I'm going to open up the Notes app on my phone, and I'm going to create a folder just using the folder here. I'm going to create a new folder. I created this folder that's called School Documents, and this is what I'm going to use to scan my paper. So I need to create a new note. I'm going to click the camera, and I'm going to choose Scan Documents. Then I'm going to hold this right above my form, making sure that I get it in the frame. It's going to automatically scan it for me. I can open that. If I don't like it the way that it's scanned, I can definitely retake it. So I might rescan this one because of the shadow, but for the sake of this demonstration, I'm just going to use this document to show you. So now that I have that, you can see that it's scanned in my phone, and this is an easy way that you can transfer it to your Google Drive so that you have it. So once I have this ready to go, if I want to retake it, I can. If I don't want to retake it, I'll just hit the Save button. And I'm going to give it a name. So I just named it Weekly Cover Sheet Donato so that I know that it's easy to find. So now I need to transfer it to my drive. So what I'm going to do is click this button here. You can also email it to yourself if you are more familiar with that. You can airdrop it if you have that option, or you can just upload it directly to your drive if you have that app downloaded on your phone. So you can click that button. I'm going to go over here to my drive. I'm going to select my name. And then once I have my document there and I have it selected, I need to add it to my drive. And I'm just going to save it there. And then upload. So now I can set that off to the side and I can go into my Google Drive. And once I refresh my drive, you'll see that it's the most recent document that's added. And there it is, my weekly cover sheet. So now I need to add the dates to this. So what I'm going to do is click on this document. I'm going to give my computer a second to catch up to me. And then once it finally loads, it's going to pop up with the Open With option. So even though we can't see it at this second, if I click on the open with, it should give me the option to open it and annotate it using Kami. So if I click on that, it will bring up my document and it will allow me now to enter in the dates that I need. It's going to ask me to log in. And now that I have this document in here, all I have to do is go in and add my dates by using the text box. I can just create that right there. This is my week 14 grade book. And now I have my document filled out and ready to go. So all I have to do now is I can save, or I can open the file, I can print it, I can save it. If I save it, I'll just save it directly to my drive, or I can download it. It's completely up to you. For me, I do like to download my files just so that I have them stored in case I need to go back to them. So I'm going to download the PDF with the annotations, and I'm just going to export that. And now that I have it here, once I have all of my gradebook downloaded and ready to go, I can go into my weekly attendance. I'll go into my classwork, view my assignment, and I can now upload from my computer my Kami doc. And now it's added here with the current dates. My signature's on there. I don't have to worry about anything else. Each week, I'll just pull up that same document, change the dates, and upload it to our assignment. So I hope this helped. Let me know if you have any other questions.